I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to view, edit, and delete saved passwords in Google Chrome Autofill on an iPhone or iPad. Step 1. Open the Google Chrome app on your iPhone or iPad and then tap the ellipses to open a menu. Step 2. Swipe from right to left across the row of options at the top of this menu and then tap Settings. Step 3. Tap Password Manager. The associated screen opens where you'll see all of the saved passwords and passkeys associated with your Google account. Step 4. Tap any of the saved passwords in this list to view the details associated with this saved password. You'll see the associated website, the username and password, and any notes you've saved. If you want to actually see your password, all you need to do is tap the eye icon next to it. If you need to copy your password, tap the password and then tap Copy. Step 5. Tap Edit if you want to edit any of the information associated with your saved password. Just make any changes you need to make and then tap Done. Step 6. If you need to delete a saved password, all you need to do is tap Edit and then tap Delete Password. A window pops up asking if you're sure you want to delete this password. Tap Delete in this window. That saved password information will be deleted from your Google Chrome saved passwords list immediately. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.